What's up, jammers? This week, inspection, paint and body.
And that's it. Hey Ryan, what you got going on, buddy? Looks like a little turn of events, a little change of plans.
Well, the good news is that we didn't get the truck loaded on the trailer and then realize we got a bad bearing, because that would have really elongated the process. So
that's exactly what we did, Ryan.
Good point. Yep, that's exactly what happened. But the good news is
can't quite think of any good news, can you?
not at this moment, no. What's up, jammers? Well, we're in the middle of a field in the country.
We are.
It can only mean one thing.
What's it mean, Ryan? That's not what it means.
What does it mean?
It means we're here and we just finished up our inspection. What happened, Ryan?
We met Mr. Johnny, and Johnny's paint and body. Freaking awesome guy. He's got a beautiful place out here.
It's nice.
Very scenic, very quiet, very peaceful, and he's just a good dude.
Yeah. So what's the verdict? People want to know. Can you think of it? Come on.
Did you guys realize Medea's a man? I'm still not over that. Besides that, we passed.
We did. That's awesome. And we even got some compliments,
Yeah,
Ryan. That was
Mr.
awesome,
Johnny
right?
literally told us that he was really happy with our work, told us we did a really good job, and he was surprised that we actually removed the apron to the factory seam. He said no one does that, and he was shocked at that. As two dummies in the driveway did that.
That's awesome. Well, good.
So,
yay for us.
good stuff.
Right here.
Auto body and paint, and we dropped off the Red Rocket. Brian's gonna hook us up for it. It's gonna be great. He's gonna let us film some of the work and stuff, so stay tuned, guys.
This week, actually.
It should be done by Friday, so we will have content for it already. I mean, it's just awesome.
I'm super excited. So
excited.
the next couple weeks are going to be pretty awesome.
Boom, boom, boom.
Knocking this out. We might be like 2 or 3 weeks away from the new project.
Grey Goose.
It could be.
Grey Goose.
Awesome. Well, let's see. Let's see what this thing looks like in just right now. Hey guys, we are back here at Straight Lines with our friend Brian.
Heck yeah, we are. Brian, the man, the myth, the legend.
And he's been working on our truck all week, for about a week and a half actually, something like that.
Apparently,
because he wanted to be perfect.
You had a lot of
He is a beautificator 2, I guess, or something, what do you think?
2.0.
So we're here and we're gonna go look at the truck right now.
Holy cow! Y'all, look, I'm not a fan of red, but this junk is amazing. Brian knocked it out of the flipping park. Check it out. If you guys remember, this corner was done in, looks gorgeous, but most importantly, look at that shine coming off of there. I mean, that thing's so bright. It makes my body look better in that reflection than it does in real life.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this episode. It was a lot of fun, wasn't it, Ryan?
Yes, so much fun. We've changed our outfits 7 times.
Oh man, who can believe it? It's been a long couple weeks, but we've got a ton of stuff done, right? We got it inspected and passed.
Check!
We took it to the body shop.
Check!
We had it painted.
Check!
And now this episode is over. So thank you guys
Check!
so much for subscribing and watching. Please share it with your friends. Go to our website, jmrrebuilders.com. Get yourself a t-shirt, a hat, support our channel. We would appreciate it a ton.
And looking at you, Brian, at Straight Lines, thank you for your help for getting this the way it looks. And on that note, we'll see you next time. Generation!